Okay, so now we've got our campaign launched. We want to go to My Account, and then we want to actually go into the campaign, and we want to set up some things. And the first thing that we want to set up is we want to add all the buyers of the campaign to our own email list. So it's really cool, and something that GearBubble is really good for. So if you look here, when you look at the campaign screen, when you load it up, you find your campaign, you can edit it, you can end it, you can do the settings, you can do messages right within GearBubble. You can do a duplicate as well now, which is pretty cool. But we want to click on settings, and there's a lot of settings in here that we get to play with, so it's really, really cool. And the first one that we see is the good old lead generation. So this is select your autoresponder, and we go here. Oh, actually I didn't add my autoresponder yet, so I have to go to My Account. And I'm going to have to go to settings here, and I'm going to have to add it. Just take a moment to load. So now I go to settings first, and then I'm going to add my autoresponder, which is under leads, I believe. Yeah, not connected. Okay. So we want to connect. You can use Aweber. I use Getresponse. You can use MailChimp, Constant Contact, whatever you want. So click on this little guy here. And now we need the API key. So to get that, we have to load up our Getresponse account. And we have to go to the API keys. So I'm going to show you over here. I'm going to pull it. I'm already logged into my Getresponse account. So here, I'm in Getresponse, just on the main page. And if we click on this little down arrow and integrations, then we can see the API right here. So this is a secret key. So I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, or actually select it, copy, and then that's all I need from Getresponse. Then I go back here and I paste it in, and then I make the connection, and now GearBubble is connected to Getresponse. So now I go to My Account, and it'll take a moment to load here. And what I'm going to do is now go to settings, then lead generation. Now it's filled. See, Getresponse. So I do next step, and it's going to ask me which list I want to select. Now I don't have a list in here for this. So what I'm going to do is go back to My Account on the dashboard, and right here on this Your Current Campaign, if we click it, we can scroll down to Create a Campaign. Then we can call it Police. Oh, I do have one called Police People, but if you don't, say you want to create one called Support Our Officers, something like that, because it matches up with my page name. Oh, 3 and 64, only lowercase. Oh, okay. Sorry, Support Our Officers. I can't put capitals in there. Should work now, unless that's okay. Good. That's not taken by anybody. So the campaign's created. What would you like to do now? And here is one more step. I want to edit the campaign settings, and what I want to do is make it single opt-in. So under permission, right up here, enable confirmed opt-in for email, blah blah blah. I want, if this box is selected, a confirmation email will be sent to each new subscriber who signs up to your list using the subscription method. I want to make it single opt-in, okay? Because now I can add in all my email settings down here too for this particular one, but that's going to save it, and that way people are automatically going to be added to my list. So I'll just drag that up there. Now I'll go back here, and I'm going to refresh this because it's not showing all my autoresponders yet. And then I find the one that I want, Support Our Officers, and then I save the list. So now you have successfully set up Getresponse for the campaign. So for this Police Mom campaign, they're going to be automatically added to my support our officers list, which is really cool. See? So now in Getresponse, I can create any campaigns I want. I could even set up, it's unlimited what I can do. I mean, I got all these buyers on an email list now. It's awesome. So when I launch my next shirt, guess what I'm going to do? Log into my Getresponse account, and I'm going to fire up an email and say, hey guys, look what I did. I created all these neat products for you, and you should buy them all. And there's no limit to this. I own this list. It's awesome. This is mine. This doesn't belong to Gearbubble. It belongs to me. So I can do whatever I want with it. I could set up an autoresponder so that the person gets on my list day one. Every 2 weeks I could be sending them a product, or every week I could be sending them something, or I could set up an autoresponder now to go out for like 2 years, and I could put in like cool videos, and I could put in articles, and I could put in then a sale of something, and I could put in a coupon code, and I could put in anything. It's unlimited. This is so powerful. This is like wicked powerful what you get to do with Gearbubble, because you get to email them. You get to build a list, a gigantic list, and they're all people that bought from you in order to get on the list. This is a really, really valuable asset, and Gearbubble is one of the only ones that actually lets you have the subscribers, because actually you got them. Why can't you have them? It's awesome. Just awesome stuff. I mean, just think of the power of this and the autoresponder setup, and we could be making sales automatically to these people. Because once they buy from you once, you give them like a couple weeks, you fire them out something else, they'll buy it. They're buyers. That's what they do. It doesn't have to be a necklace. It could be a hoodie or a shirt, or it could be anything. It could be like a flashlight or whatever. Like the option, it could be a phone case. It could be anything. Just let your imagination run wild with that, and let that sink in, what you can do now with this email list. Okay? That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.